Hey, what's up everybody? Welcome back to my channel. My name is Marife and today video we are going to or I'm going to show you all this stuff that I got from Rose. This one is all broke like yeah, everything that I got from Rose Dress for Less, which we already know is very affordable and beautiful clothes, trendy clothes. When it's trendy clothes, we don't want to spend a lot of money because it will pass, like next thing will come. So that's why I like to buy everything at Rose Dress for Less because we find everything in there, right? So let me show you what I got. Okay guys, so the first item that I wanted to show you is this bucket hat. I think they're called bucket hats, but this one is, it got these little strings which I'm going to cut, and this one is from the Hurley brand, and it was only $12.99, which we already know the prices at Rose there are incredible. So yeah, let me show you how it looks. This size is medium large, which it actually fits super good on me. So I love this hat, love this hat. And since it's something trendy, I will not spend big money in other ones like Prada. Like I will spend money in bags but not in trendy hats. So yeah, this one I love it. Super cute, super trendy. $12.99. Yes, yes. So this next item I'm gonna show you is actually, look at this, is this Calvin Klein socks, which I love. Like it comes 6 pairs, as you can see, 6 pairs for $11.99. Very good price, and it's 6 of them. This one only say Calvin Klein jeans on the bottom, and the other style you say like this, Calvin Klein, and you can see the CK and Calvin Klein at the bottom. And I just gotta take it to the store so they can remove this one, thanks to the girl, the cheating check, right? So yeah, it's 6 pairs for $11.99, which is great. I'm gonna be showing you to you right here because the next item, I put all these pieces together, so I'm showing you over here. And is these shorts, which look at how cute they are, super trendy too. Is this material like from your joggers or sweatpants or whatever you call them? It is that. It comes with a butterfly, which is so cute and trendy also. So yeah, it's just black shorts like this. As you can see, they are so cute and so cheap. Let me see if I got the, oh okay, the price was $8 or $7.99, and I love them. They are in many different colors, so go ahead and get it guys. Like really, like go now to Rose and get all this stuff. These next things or clothes I'm gonna show you, I really had to got it because it's super trendy, and it's biker shorts. And yeah, I love them. These ones are great, which I don't have gray ones, I have black ones. I think I only have black ones, but I really wanted some gray ones. So yeah, they're like this, and I'm gonna show it to you on the video. Let me go to this side so I can be able to put it right here for y'all. And it comes with the little matching thing, which is not really matching because it's not the same material, but like, I mean, we get a same family, I don't know. Yeah, but like it's so cute. And as you can see in the video, I don't think I want to use it like that, so I might use it separate. So yeah, it's so cute, like long sleeve. I think this one I can use it with jeans, and this one I can use it with just a regular shirt, like a long one. And this one is from the brand Velocity, and the price was $20, but it's not bad. The biker shorts, they are actually very small. They are super stretchy, but they are kind of small for me, so I wish I size up. So I think if y'all get it, size up. But yeah, super cute and trendy and super affordable. Okay, so this item I'm also gonna show it right here for y'all is this little dress, as you can see. And it's just a floral dress, which is super trendy too. That's what I'm saying, everything at Rose is super trendy, and it's just this little dress. It's kind of long, and it does have a double line, or however it's called, like under, it has another thing under but you can still see a little bit. But the only bad thing is that I got it in extra large, and you really have to keep it to your real size. And it has this crunchy material, I don't know what it's called, but I love it because you can hide things in there. You can hide some things, but this one is so cute. The price was $9.99, which is so great. Like, if I don't like it, probably it would be, I will give it to somebody. So yeah, this one is beautiful and I love it. These items that I'm gonna show you right now, I'm not really in love, but I mean, I don't know how I feel like really. So is this shirt? This one I actually like it because, but not like right here. Like you're gonna see the video. I don't like it together, but it's just this white shirt, and it has like this corset kind of things under, which I like. And the only thing that I don't like is see-through. So that's not like a thing. That's not like a thing that I like the see-through clothes. But it's just cute with jeans. I think it will look cute. So yeah, and it was only $11.99, which is really cute. Like, this is the back. So yeah, I'm gonna keep it, and I'm gonna show you the little video. And this one, I do not like it at all. I don't know how I feel. I don't know if I gotta put it another way. And it's this skirt, which is in the satin material, and I love the color, but I don't love them together. I don't know if I had to style like a little bit more girly heels and a cute top, so probably that will give me more like the feels. And but this skirt, it was only $6, $5.99, and it's super good because at Zara they are like $50 literally. So yeah, these two I'm actually gonna keep it, but I don't know, I'll see how can I how they can look more cute. So yeah, I'm gonna keep it. Great prices, obviously. The next items that I'm gonna show you is these jeans, which not jeans, short jeans, and they also, oh, these are extra large, and good thing they were extra large. I didn't even know them. And this one, they're from the brand Denim Boulevard, Los Angeles, and yeah, they're just these blue jeans. And the star of this, I'm gonna put the video, is this shirt, which is super trendy too, and they are from the brand wherever. Yeah, but like, it's this top, and it's the ones that you tie at the back, and it's just like the little triangle in the front, and it's so cute. It's the satin material too, but as you can see, the colors are so beautiful for this spring, so that's why I put it together. And they actually I don't like it together, so I'm just gonna find like the perfect shorts jeans for me. And I think it will look beautiful with some high heels, the strappy heels, some gold jewelry, beautiful. So yeah, this one is my favorite one from this haul, so I really recommend you to go get it. And this one, it was in the size extra large. I just got it extra large because I knew it was gonna be no kind of stretchy. So love with this one more than this one, but yeah, this one. Okay guys, so another trendy thing, which we already know, that's why I went to Rose. Like, I really don't buy basics in there, but I really like trendy clothes from there, because trendy clothes go out of style, like comes one day, goes the next day. So I don't like to spend a lot of money, so I just wanted one of these little skirts, and this skirt was only $10.99, and it's just like this. Look at how cute, guys. I'm gonna put the video right here so you can see it. And this one is on the size I don't know, large. And this one I actually got it because I want to put it with some cute high heels and a cute top, the ones with only one thing. So I wanted to put it like that, a lot of jewelry, my hair cute, my heels and everything, but I wanted to use it like that for going out or something, going for a date. So yeah, this one is so cute. I love it. Cute and very cheap. Oh, the only bad thing is the see-through, but I mean, you can put some that you can see everything. You can put some shorts on there, but the only bad thing is that. So yeah, but it's not a big thing for me. So yeah, let's go to the next one. The next one is these cargo pants, which they are super trendy. Oh my god, I'm tired of saying trendy already because everything is super trendy around. So I'm gonna put a little video right here so you can see it. And these ones, I love the color. They come with a little belt, which is super good because, and yeah, this one I think I'm not gonna use it like that at all. Like a lot of the stuff that I just show you, I will not use it like that, but I just show it to you so you can see how it looks on me. So yeah, they are so pretty. And the bags they are not actually, or the packets, they're not actually packets, they just right there for show. But these ones, they work. So yeah, this one is on the size 13 or 31, and I love them so much. Like literally, this one with high heels and some a cute top. Yes, these ones, they are a yes. And this one was only let me see if I can find the tag. $16.99, which is not bad. Like I'm saying, trendy clothes, don't spend your money, don't spend big money on that. So yeah, let's go to the next item. Okay, girls and boys, like this one, it was such a good find for me. So it's this little camis, or I don't know what they call, little shirts for me. Like I would use it with my sweatpants, with my joggers, with my jeans, with anything under a shirt, I don't know, for sleep. You can use it however you want. They are so soft, so stretchy. And this one, I love them. I just love them. Like it comes with a little purple one, which is such in style right now. Like this color is, and kind of nude pinkish, I don't know, but yeah, I love them. It comes in the pair too. It was large, and the price was only $11.99 for two of these. And so I'm gonna show you. I use for this video, I'm gonna use this one with these pants, which I'm gonna put the video now so you can see it. And these pants, they are so beautiful, the color, and they are super stretchy, super stretchy. And they have that wide leg. It's in style right now too. So yeah, I love this one so much. I love this color for the summer. I feel like this in the summer, no, and the autumn or fall, they're gonna look so beautiful with boots. So now you cannot only use it at this summer. Like you can use it at fall with some cute boots and a cute shirt. And yeah, but they are so wide. Like the leg is so wide, but I love them. Like I'm saying, these ones, they were only I don't know, I think the tag fell, I have no idea, but I think they were like $8, $9. So yeah, these ones, they are so beautiful, and I really recommend you. But like these ones, they're so perfect, and I love the little spaghetti strap things. So yeah, that's beautiful. So we only have one more thing, and I'm gonna show it to you. Let me get my bag. So the last thing is this jumper. I don't know what it's called. Overall, I don't know. Let me see how it's called. I don't know. I don't say. But this black. They're not actually black. They like the wash black color, and they have the silver little things. So yeah, I love it. Yeah, like I was saying, everything is silver, so it's not like something that I really love, but it no matter, like you can make it work. And they are super skinny, like as you can see in the video, like they are super cute. Actually, I love them. And this one is another thing that you can use from summer to spring, fall, anything. You can use it any time of the year. So I love them so much. They were only $16.99, which is super good too, and I love them. I'm gonna be using them, and that's pretty much it for this haul, which it don't look like a lot, but it is a lot. And I only spent like 180, which is so good from Ross. Like you already know, the prices are perfect. So let's go to Ross. Let's go shopping. Let's go to Ross. Like I love Ross. Like I hope you love Ross. And yeah, remember to subscribe for more videos like this. Let me know any other store that you want me to go to spend my money. And I told my husband Yeah, but like let me know any other store that you want me to do. How also any other company, I don't know, Misguided, Fashion Nova. I really had never buy from Fashion Nova. I think I had 2 dresses and that's pretty much it. But I might do a video from Fashion Nova and let's see. And yeah, so let me know any store, let me know anything in the comments. And remember to subscribe, like, comment, and share this video if you want, so more girls can become part of our team. So yeah, remember to do all that. And first of all, remember to stay beautiful like always, because we already know we're already beautiful without makeup, but when we put a little bit of makeup, we become another person. So yeah, remember to stay beautiful and to stay safe. Bye.